20 Biluya.
All right. Let's go! First quarter!
Para sa first possession, makukuha ito ng Coach M. Number 25, Amaba.
15 to shoot.
Number 27, Silverio. Silverio. Pass to Silverio. Open shot. Wala ang rebound.
2 points, Kasukat.
Mintes Andres, rebound na Silverio. Pasang Silverio. Silverio.
2 points, Silverio. 15-second shot clock.
Adama.
10 seconds to shoot.
Rebound. Nakakuha na naman ang mistake. Nakakuha na naman si Silverio.
And a foul. A foul committed by number 28, Adama. His first personal foul, first team foul. Shooting 2 free throws by jersey number 27, Silverio.
Kasungkad. In and out. Tapos 6.
A foul by jersey number 6. Pereira is first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws, Fiona.
First attempt supply para kay Fiona. Last attempt para sa kanya. Para lang sentro ng Team Mystic.
A 1 out of 2 mula kay Fiona. Official score natin 6-0 po, 8 minutes and 41 ang ating first quarter.
Wala kay Adama. Adama pass to Rienza. Rienza for Dre.
3 points for Rienza.
Pasukan.
15-second shot clock. 2 points. Silverio.
Adama. Pass to 16. Gets a foul upstairs. A foul.
A foul committed by number 27, Silverio. His first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws, number 16, Regala.
Four.
Dalawa para kay Regala. 8-5 sa ating score, 8 minutes and 4. Fire pa na pagtawid. Almost deflection. Troubling violation.
Wala balik sa Coach M. Nagdadala number 28, Adama. Adama. Pass to number 0-0. Tabangkay. Tabangkay for Trey. Short. Hindi pa makukuha ni Fiona. Atako na naman ang Team Mystic. Here comes Silverio. Silverio on the attack.
2 points, Silverio.
The slicing through.
2 points, Mapa.
Meanwhile, Kasukan. Malakas. Bola agawan sa ilalim. Makukuha ni number 6, Pereira. On the attack, ang mabahansan. Nahuli. Rienza with a wala. Number 16 na Regala. Nabitaw ng bola. Balik tayo sa
An offensive foul by jersey number 7. Silverio, second personal foul substitution. Number 27, Silverio, second personal foul, second team foul. Number 28, Ababa, dribbling the ball. Ababa, pass to San Agustin, shot clock down to 15. Three! San Agustin! On the drop. Nakikita, steal!
Ababa.
15 seconds to shoot. Oh, turnover. Nalin lang sa jersey ng referee. Wala palang tao doon. Yona. In trouble. Silverio. Nakawala. 2 points Silverio. Ababa setting up. San Agustin sa arc. 15 shot clock. Way off. Rebound. Nakukuha pa rin. 10 seconds shot clock. A block para kay Fiona. Wala balik sa TV stick. Substitution. Substitution.
Yung PC, no?
Shot clock 14. Inbound. Pass received by number 55. Lanes.
Si Ron.
Shot clock 11. Ababa moves up. That's a contact. A foul committed by number 24, Sandoval. His first personal foul, third team foul. 2 free throws by number 28, Amaba. Nothing but air, unang tira. Last attempt para number 28. Boss JR. Last throw para kay Amaba. It's 12-11, starting official score. 5 minutes na ang ating first quarter. Stepping on the line. Shot clock 80.
Siya yan, gago. Siya yan.
Oh!
Ikaw na daw mag-uwi kasi nilakan daw siya.
Yoda. Oh! Steal para sa team Coach M. Ababa. Pass to Rigala. Oh! Rebound ka, Suka. Here ka na TV stick. TV 10. Silverio. Lanes, last two naman. Shot clock down to 15. San Agustin. 10 to shoot. Lanes. 5 to shoot. Steal by Silverio. It is a tira, put back. 2 points, Kasumka. Two points, Rigala. Two points, Kasumka. dribbling the ball. Pass to Blanes, back to Mababa. Shot clock down to 15, steal para sa TV Stick. Atakbo si Silverio. Silverio sidestep. Silverio! Time out, coaching! Official score is 20-13, leading pa rin ang Team Mystic.
Huwag mapahuli, mas mabilis, mas solid, mas ready.
Sa pressure, doon sumusubok. Sa Metro Ballers, doon katutok. Metro Ballers, you bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah. You bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah.
Sa laro mo, lumalago sa gitna ng crowd, di ka nag-iisa.
Say it loud, develop, complete, belong, yeah. Bata man malayo ang aabutin, may pangarap na hindi mo bibitawan. Sa bawat season, may bagong pangalan. Sa bawat dibdib, may apoy na iisang tahanan.
Blanes. Gawin for Steven. Sana gusto sa weak side. Sa gitna. 35. Bibita ng 3. Player. Nothing but air. Diretso sa kamay. Kasunggan ng rebound. Tatakbo na naman ang Davis kick. Kasunggan. All the way to the basket. Blanes moves. Sana gusto back to Blanes. 15 seconds to shoot. Almost a steal. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Steal. Biona. The big man trailing down. 2 points, Biona. Ang ahas. To Blanes. Blanes. Short. Tatakbo na naman ang mistake. Sandoval using his left. Intis. Biona with a putback. 2 points. Blanes. 15 to shoot. Now by jersey number 2, timeout, Team Mystic. Number 2, Batista, first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Apat na.
Hawak ng bola hanggang dulo ng kakatha. Sa brothers and sisters mo, Metro Ballers Youth, dito ka babangon. Metro Ballers Youth, bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah. You bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah.
Sa laro mo, lumalago sa gitna ng crowd, di ka nag-iisa.
Say it loud, develop, compete, belong, yeah.
Jersey number 13, Rhea. Received the pass by number 28, Amaba. 10 seconds to shoot. Smith, no. Rebound. Ako po na mistake. Tatakbo na number 2, Bautista. Feeling down. It's an end of play. Marami Bautista. Apaw, committed by jersey number 33, Smith. Number 33, Smith, first personal foul. Third, team foul. Bonus free throw, number 2, Bautista.
Grabe, no? Bata. Batak agad, ah.
Bonus, ginakompleto. Rebound ako ni Ferrer. Here comes number 28, Amaba. Shot clock 15. Smith. On the post, Ferrer. Nakita si Angkas. Sabi ko flex. Steal para sa TV Stick. Tatakbo na naman. This time, Sandoval. May foul na itinawag. Jersey number 13. Matatawag dyan si Treya. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution.
Ilang free throw yun?
3 free throws para number 24, Sandoval. Last attempt para kay Sandoval. Oh, another triple miss. Rebound, nagawa ng bola. Makukuha ito ng full team. Tatakbo si number 33, halangan depensa. Ang pagkawin. Success. Ferrer is snatched away. Steal para sa team stick. Depensa. Atras na bahagya. Pass to Bautista. Shot clock 50. 23, rebound na kukuha ng guardia. Ababa. 2 points. Steal. Ababa. Wala. Rebound. Smith. 2 points. Smith.
Isa pa lang time out ito, di ba?
Seconds remaining. 2 points. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score is 30-17, leading para dyan ang Team Mystic.
Bagong henerasyon, hindi na naman suot ang pride, hati ang kaba, lakas. Iba-ibang school, iba-ibang core, pero iisa ang goal, umangat sa taas. Dribble sa sahig, tapos quick step. Mula ball club hanggang school rep. Every medyo, may bagong aral. Kada galaw mo, mas tumitibay ang pedal. Sa bawat pasa, may respeto sa bawat shot. May panibagong metro, hindi lang laro. Training to, bawat galaw, hinahasa mo.
Level up, huwag magpahuli. Mas mabilis, mas solid, mas ready.
Sa pressure, doon sumusubok. Sa Metro Ballers, doon ka tutok. Metro Ballers, youth, bring it up, bring it up. Develop kang bilong, yeah. Youth, bring it up, bring it up. Develop kang bilong, yeah.
Sa laro mo, lumalago sa gitna ng crowd. Di ka nag
1:30.
Second quarter. Bautista on the attack. And there's a contact by jersey number 16. Number 16, Regala, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws by jersey number 2, Bautista. At 2 out of 2 para kay Bautista. Dalawang score sa 32-17. Opening ng ating second quarter. Bola may tangan number 28, Ababa. Ababa, dribbling mo. 15 seconds to shoot. Ababa. Nice hesitation. Long range, no. Rebound, Regala. 5 to shoot. And one play, Regala. A foul by number 30. Number 30, Castro, first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw, number 16, Regala. Rebound, nakukuha ito ni Santos. Runner Castro. Demesta. And to shoot! Castro. Bola babalik sa Coach M. Number 28, Amaba, dribbling the ball past to Smith. Smith thought about it. Shot clock down to 15. Amaba to Smith. Open shot. Free Smith. Bautista. Oh, ako, Mintis, rebound. Nakukuha na Coach M. Here comes number 22. Barabaran. Ababa. Pass to Barabaran. 10 seconds shot clock. Smith once again. At this time. This time Davis getting on the ball. Bautista nakawala. Sidestep. Grab pass. Ganda pasa. 2 points ako. From Bautista. Amaba. Setting up the play. Smith on the weak side. Ferrer. 15 to shoot. Amaba. 10-second shot clock. There's a blocking foul by jersey number 5, substitution. Number 5, defensive personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Inbound. Barabaran. To drop. Oh, iniluwa. Wala babalik sa team mistake. Oh, nice move. Turn over. This time, balik ang bola sa coach N, number 28, Amaba, kanilang point guard, playmaker. Using the screen of Barabaran, Amaba, hesitation move. Barabaran. It's a traveling violation. Back on mistake. Number 27, Silverio, pass to, oh, steal. By Barabaran. Barabaran, Mintis, rebound, nagawa, tapikan, makukuha ito ng team mistake. Number 6, Fiona, trailing down the big man. Wala, rebound by Regala. Sa kabila yan. Regala, locating his guard. Amaba fires. Silverio on the fast break. Oh, sorry, miss. Regala to Barabaran. Regala. Wala. Ferrer. No. Back on the stick. Here comes the fast break once again. Silverio unselfish play to Fiona. 2 points. Timeout, coaching. Official score is 36-22. Labang pa rin po dyan ang team mistake. Under 6 minutes and 4 seconds sa ating first half.
Isa.
Say it loud. Develop, compete, belong, yeah. High competition, wala easy lane. Kailangan puso, kailangan brain. Every team na makakaharap. May bagong style, may bagong habol sa tapat. One day school, one day club. Pareho ang sipag, pareho ang love. Dito natututo ang dikit na diskarte. Hindi lang points, pati kari-karang napaparte. Tropa sa team, bro sa laban kahit
Inbound para sa Coach M. 6 minutes and 4 seconds. First up pa lang po tayo. Bola may tama number 22, Barabaran. Barabaran bigay sa gilid. Barabaran 15 to shoot. Jumper, malakas, rebound. And a foul by jersey number 15. Number 15, Moya. is first personal foul, second team foul.
Second. Foul. Parehas na. Second team foul. Parehas na.
Kasugad. Hang time. No. Rebound Moya. Here comes Omar. Omar. Ganda depensa pinapakita dito ng stick. Bara-bara nakawala rin ng magya. Bara-bara. Losing control in mid-air. Play ball with 14 seconds shot clock. Substitution. Shot clock 14. Inbound by Moya. Pass received by Omar. Omar. 10 seconds to shoot. Orienza. No rebound. Fuentebella. Looking for his teammates sa gitna binigay. Fiona. Malakas. Rebound Balumay. Tres wala. Rebound Brigada. Omar dribbling the ball. Omar pass to Moya. Moya. Back to Omar. 10 seconds to shot clock. In and out. Regala. Nice fake. And a foul. Dominated by jersey number 6. Substitution. Number 6 beyond a first personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution.
Di pumasok una, no?
Umitis, rebound. At ang bola balik sa TV stick. Under 4 minutes and 32. Bola bigay sa point guard. Fuentebella zigzagging its way. Double team coming. Deflection by Omar. Kasungkad, taitawid. Kasungkad all the way. Too strong. Fiona. 2 points. Omar. There's a foul by jersey number 3, Fuentebella. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Inbound. Pass to si by Orienza. Orienza balik kay Omar. Sa gilid may libre. Ditinira ng drive it the closer. Mintis nga lang para kay Tabangkay. Natatakot naman si Kasugkad. Kasugkad. Too strong. Fiona. Deflex. At ang bola, balik na naman tayo sa Coach M.
Standby.
Omar. Double team. Pass to Boy. Oh! Substitution. This time, it's a TV stick, number 4, Kasugad. Pass to Silverio. Locating Fuentebella. Reverse, no. Rebound, Fiona. And there's a foul by number 00. Tabangkay, first personal foul. Third, team foul. Shooting 2 free throws by jersey number 6, Fiona.
Ano yan doon? Five minutes.
On the trap, ang mistake. Coach M, magtatawid. Regala trouble. Oh! Steal. Silverio. Nice pass. Mintis ka lang ang tira. Bola balik ka sa Coach M. Orienza. 15 to shoot. Omar. Got blocked by Fiona. Save ball.
Stop down.
Inbound. Pass received by Omar. 5 seconds to shoot. Still, Silverio. 2 points.
May 3 seconds na. 3 seconds sa una.
Huling tawag. 3 seconds pa pala. Ang huling tawag, substitution.
Not counted yun?
Not count ang layup by Silverio dahil 3 seconds na pala ang huling tawag. Nalito sa pito ng kabila. Number 27, Silverio dribbling the ball. Silverio. Nice pass. Rebound. This time a foul by jersey number 3, Pugoy. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Substitution.
Pares warning.
Both teams is warning for penalty. Both teams shooting 2 free throws, kasugkan.
Standby.
Amada dribbling the ball. Amada pass to Orienza. Orienza from deep. No good. Rebound. Fiona. Substitution. Oras na natitira, saktong 2 minuto ng ating aksyon. Half time. Point guard position. Meanwhile, pwede ba one give. Couldn't get the friend to bounce. Fiona! That's a contact upstairs. Foul by number 5. Agustin is first personal foul penalty. 2 free throws by number 6, Fiona. Mintis, rebound makukuha ni Agustin. On the other side, fast break! Mintis ang layup ngayon sa rebound by Bautista. At ang naman ang TV Studios ng Trahada. Trahada, number 71, Trahada! Emergency pass! Ayun, dire-diretso sa labas. Back on to Chem. Amada, zigzagging its way in transition. Misses a layup. Agustin! Agustin second try. This time a foul. Will be net by jersey number 71. Substitution. Number 71, Trahada. First personal foul penalty. 2 free throws by number 5. Agustin.
Standby.
This is the first attempt. Last throw. Malakas, rebound. Substitution. Inbound para sa Mochem. Pugoy. 2 points, Pugoy. Baliktaran ng ating score, 42-24, 1 minute to go in the first half. Bautista controlling the ball against Mada, iwan ng bantay. Bautista's floater, no rebound. Akuha 0-0. Tabakay. Tabakay. Pass to Amada. Ababa to Tabakay. Hesitation, 15 to shoot. Nice deflection, still success para sa mistake. And there's a pushing foul by jersey number 00. Tabangkay, second personal foul penalty. 2 free throws makukuha dito ng TV Stick. Two free throws by number 3, Puerta Bella. Time remaining 36.4 seconds. 36.4 seconds to go. Isa para kay Puerta Bella. Bola na kay Ambaba. Ambaba. Stop and pop. 3 points. Ambaba. On its own.
Hindi ko pa sinakto.
Bautista. Ganda sundot na kay Ambaba. Ambaba. 2 points. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. 2 points. Bautista. End of the first half, official score is 45-29. Lamang pa rin po dyan ang Team Mystic.
May init, solid ng samahan. Pagbagsak ka, may tutulong bumangon. Pag panalo na, sabay-sabay ahon.
Level up, huwag mapahuli. Mas mabilis, mas solid, mas ready.
Sa pressure, doon sumusubok. Sa Metro Ballers, doon katutok. Metro Ballers, you bring it up, bring it up. Develop, compete, belong, yeah. You bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah.
Sa laro mo, lumalago sa gitna ng crowd, di ka nag-iisa.
Say it loud, develop, compete, belong, yeah. Bata man malayo ang aabutin. May pangarap na hindi mo bibitawan. Sa bawat season, may bagong pangalan. Sa bawat dibdib, may apoy na iisang tahanan. Sa bawat hawak ng bola, hanggang dulo ng kakathan. Sa brothers and sisters mo, Metro Ballers Youth, dito ka babangon. Metro Ballers Youth, bring it up, develop.
Third quarter. Ambaba. No rebound by Regala. Agawa na bola. Regala. 2 points, Regala. Paternal. Kupalpal. Rebound. Nakukuha ni Ferrer. Ferrer looking for his point guard. Hinahanap si Ambaba. Ambaba, 15-second shot clock. Ferrer, 1 dribble, 1 shot. Gets an end one play by Ferrer. A foul by jersey number 30, Castro. His second personal foul, first team foul, bonus free throw number 6, Ferrer. Substitution. Substitution. Bonus free throw by Ferrer. Mintis rebound by Kasungkat. Here comes the team stick. Silverio, pass to Kasungkat. Kasungkat. No rebound, Regala. Regala, pass to Ferrer. Ferrer, to Ambaba. Ambaba, on the attack. 2 points, Ambaba. The lead is cut down to 10. It's 45-35. De Mesa. Nice pass. And a foul. Foul committed by number 32. Number 32, Orienza, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws, Kasungkat. Balik ulit sa isang dosena. 47-35 under 8 minutes and 33 ng ating third quarter. Here comes Amada. Bringing down the ball. Amada. Setting up the things para sa Coach M. 15 seconds to shoot. Ababa. 10 to shoot. And there's a foul. A foul committed by jersey number. Report. Report tayo, rep. Last foul. Last foul, rep. A foul by number 2. Bautista na tawagan doon. Is second personal foul, second team foul.
Dalawa papasok.
Properly violation. Ababa. Didiskarte. Crosscourt pass to player. 3 seconds violation. Here comes the team mistake, Bautista. May taka ng bola number 2, Bautista on the crossover. Iwan dalawa. Drop pass, hindi nagkaintindihan. Hindi na salo ang pasa. This time, balik sa Oche, number 28, Amaba. Amaba. Using the screen. 15 to shoot, still by Silverio. Oh, kasungkat with a foot back. Time out, Coach M. Official score is 49-37. Lamang pa rin po dyan ang team mistake.
Dapat kasi sa kapila yan. Sunod.
It belong, yeah. You bring it up, develop, complete belong, yeah.
Sa laro mo, lumalago sa gitna ng crowd, di ka nag-iisa.
Say it loud, develop, complete belong, yeah.
Ulit po guys, point guard number 28, Amaba. On the mission, the guard of Coach M. Amaba to Orienza. Orienza, 15 to shoot. Ferrer back to Amaba. Amaba, sharing the ball to Orienza, running floater. No, rebound. Bakukuha, Libiona. Tatakbo na naman ang mistake on the fast break play. And Silverio with an easy 2 points. Amaba. Torrienza. Baraba to Amaba. 15 seconds shot clock. Baraba. 10 seconds to shoot. Amaba. Nothing but air. Rebound naman Mr. Bion. Silverio. Reverse. Masyado malalim. Rebound. Nakakuha ni Orienza. Amaba. Bibit-bit. 2 points Amaba. For 3. Malakas. Fiona. On the spin. Uli ni Ferrer. Fiona. 2 points. Fiona. Two points. Castro. A foul committed by jersey number 4, Kasungkat. His first personal foul, third team foul. Substitution. Inbound by Amaba. Amaba. Oh, deflection still. Silverio. 2 points Silverio. Ferrer in traffic. Gets a foul. Committed by jersey number 6. Number 6, Bionas. His second personal foul, warning for penalty. Last attempt para kay Ferrer. Substitution.
Pinahinga. Pinahinga.
Silverio. To Fiona. No, rebound Regala. Rebound ang kuha ni Fiona. Está Silverio. Placing in. Oh, it's an offensive foul. Committed by jersey number 27. Silverio is third personal foul.
Penalty na yun. Penalty na. Offensive lang eh.
Steal. 2 points. Jump ball. Substitution. Silverio, 15 to shoot. Using the screen. No spin. Still. Lares. Wala, balik na ba sa stick? Still. 2 points na Bangkay. Nice move. Fiona with this rebound, Regala. Second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Bara, no swipe it goes. Steal. Silverio. Bitin, Silverio. Gets an angle play. A foul by number 22, substitution.
Shooter pala.
Last foul by number 22, Barabaran is first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw number 27, Silverio.
Isa sa ba dito sa... Shoot mo muna para masaban ka. Pag minintis mo, wala.
Substitution. Still. 2 points kasugkat. Ababa. Kick ball. Time out. Team Mystic. Official score 64-42, leading pa rin dyan ang Team Mystic under 2 minutes and 44 ng ating third quarter.
Got game na ba doon? Si Rondron nando doon?
bagong henerasyon, hindi na naman.
Second team foul na doon.
Shot clock 16. Ababa to Smith. Smith. Steal! Castro to Padernal. Uh-oh, turnover. Iron stop. Kasugkat. And there is a foul committed by jersey number 33. Smith is second personal foul, third team foul. Two free throws, jersey number 4, Kasugkat. Substitution. Here comes Smith. Double team. Steal. 2 points, Padernal. Uncheck foul by jersey number 30, Castro. Is third personal foul penalty. Two free throws, number 28, Amaba. Rebound, Viola. Viola, all the way, no, rebound Smith. Another foul by number 3. Penalty. Right, Viola, second personal foul, penalty. Free throws na naman. Kukunin dito na Coach M, number 33, Smith. This is the first throw.
Pagka-shoot lang, pagka-shoot.
Rebound. Balik ka naman sa TV stage. Kicks out. 43. Go. Jump ball. Substitution.
Dali number 11. Kasi ilit ito ang pilido ko.
Regala. Now pass. Smith. 2 points ang Kahas.
Ito yung number 11. Kasi ilit ang apelido na. Ito yung kulot yung sapatos.
15 to shoot. Still. A foul by jersey number 11. Pescasio. Penalty. 2 free throws by number 35. Ang Kahas. Mintis ang unang tira. Last attempt para kay Ang Kahas. It's 68-46. 22.8 para sa TV State. Oh, steal by Regala. Regala. On the attack. Last by jersey number 12. First personal foul penalty, 2 free throws by Regala. A 1 out of 2 mula kay Regala. Kasumka. On the speed. Sana ko speed. Iwa. Kasumka. Gets a foul. Pagulip by jersey number 35.
Akas, his first personal foul.
Warning for penalty. Free throws by Kasumka. Misses his first attempt. Time remaining, 24.4 seconds. Natitira sa ating oras, 24.4. Rebound! Nakasugad. Pescasio. Go! Bola. Same all with 16.3. Shot clock 50.
Ano pa? Dalawa pa tayo mag-isa.
Nice pick. Rebound, Smith. Time remaining is 9.1 seconds. Smith losing the ball. San Agustin. At the end of the third quarter, official score 68-47. Blackjack ang kabati dyan ng Team Stick.
Suot ang pride, hati ang kaba, lakas. Iba-ibang school, iba-ibang core, pero iisa ang goal, umangat sa taas. Dribble sa sahig, tapos quick step. Mula ball club hanggang school rep. Every medyo, may bagong aral. Kada galaw mo, mas tumitibay ang pedal. Sa bawat pasa, may respeto sa bawat shot. May panibagong metro, hindi lang laro. Training to, bawat galaw, hinahasa mo.
Level up, huwag mapahuli. Mas mabilis, mas sulit, mas ready.
Sa pressure, doon sumusubok. Sa Metro Ballers, doon ka tutok. Metro Ballers, youth, bring it up, bring it up. Develop kang bilong, yeah. Youth, bring it up, bring it up. Develop kang bilong, yeah.
Sa laro mo, lumalago sa gitna ng crowd, di ka nag-iisa.
Say it loud. Develop kang bilong, yeah. High competition, wala easy lane. Kailangan puso, kailangan brain. Every team na makaka...
Bautista. Pass to Silveri. Oh, steal!
2 points, Amaba.
Bautista. Setting up the things para sa Team Stick. Silverio sa gilid. Spinning. Twirling. Wala. Rebound makukuha ni Ferrer. Amaba. Pasa. Deflection. Steal. Here comes Asis. Asis. Get blocked. Bola. Babalik sa Coach M. Here comes point guard. Amaba. In transition. Nice pass. Oh, tumagos ka lang ang pasa. Ganda sana ng pasa. Back on mistake. Here comes Bautista. Drop pass to Biona. Losing the ball. Wala, babalik na naman sa Coach M. Substitution. This time, number 28, Amaba. Amaba dribbling the ball. Inside pass. Ferrer. Easy score. Bautista. 15 to shoot. Rebound, Ferrer. Out of bounds. Substitution. Bautista, guarded by Boya. Iwan na bahagya. Bautista. Bibit-bit. 2 points, Bautista. Boya. House pass. Regala. 2 points. Bautista pass to Silverio. Silverio. No. Wala balik na pass, Coach M. Ababa to Regala. Regala. Oh, got back by Viola. Viola. Nice pass. 2 points. Ako. Saan Agustin? Traveling violation. Substitution. Sabret. Number 4, Kasugad, bringing down the ball. Kasugad, Acabuelo. Bigay sa gilid. Shot clock 15, sumalpal sa itas. Play ball. Shot clock 14. Fiona! No! Rebound. Agustin. Moya. 2 points, Moya. Bautista. Pass to Malungay. Kasugad. No! Ako. 2 points. Ako. Bautista Mendes. Fiona!
76.
Ababa. Nakawala. Space. Oh! Substitution. Unsportsmanship like foul, number 7. Balungay, sit down for 3 minutes. Number 7, Balungay. His first personal foul. First team foul.
First team foul. Both teams. 3 minutes. Sakto ah.
Substitution. Inbound para sa team Puchem. Ababa. Didiskarte sa kanilang play. Bigay muna sa kita kay Boya. Boya to Regala. Shot clock down to 15. Gandang tabik mula sa likod ni Silverio. Silverio. No. Rebound Agustin. Takot Puchem. Boya. Naagaw ni Silverio. Nakasukat. No. Rebound. Agustin. Ababa. Reverse snow. Ababa. 2 points. Perimeter. 2 points sa Maba. Silverio wasting the clock away. Shot clock down to 15. Bautista fishing. Natapikan steal. Here comes coming for the fast break play. Maba. Easy score. To shoot. Time out. The coach official score is 78-64. Labang pa rin po dyan ang Team Stick under 3 minutes and 40 ng ating huling quarter.
Ano na, apelido ng 4? Smith din ba? Dalawa na Smith.
Harap, may bagong style, may bagong habol sa tapat. One day school, one day club. Pareho ang sipag, pareho ang love. Dito natututo ang dikit na diskarte. Hindi lang points, pati kari-karang napaparte. Tropa sa team, bro sa laban kahit may init. Solid ang samahan, pagbagsak ka may tutulong bumangon. Pag panalo na, sabay-sabay ahon.
Level up, huwag mapahuli. Mas mabilis, mas solid, mas ready.
Sa pressure, doon sumusubok. Sa Metro Ballers, doon katutok. Metro Ballers, you bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah. You bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah.
Wala sa gilid. Huli siya ko. Still by Kasukat. 15-second shot clock. Silverio. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound. Hakob. To Silverio. Supal palang inabot kay Ferrer. Substitution. Ababa. Iwan tatlo. Behind the back pass. To Ferrer. Gets an end one. Nice assist. A foul by jersey number 5. Divesa. His second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw by Ferrer.
Gandang pasa nun, boy. Behind the back.
The bonus completes. In 7-8-67, mabasa 11 ang abante. Sa 3, wala. Rebound Ferrer. Eto na ang coach ay susubukan pang kumabahay ng kalabangan. Ang Mapa. The go-to guy. Ang Mapa. No. Agustin. Oh, 2 points winning. Silverio. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 points Silverio. Ababa. On the crossover. Ria. 15 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Here comes Tommy Stick. Sa 3. No, rebound Ferrer. Ria on the cross. Still like a surprise. Kasukat. To Silverio. 15 seconds shot clock. Official score is 80-72. Baba sa Abante, 1 minute and 8 seconds. Natitira sa ating oras.
Gagi. Nagulat sila ano na eh.
Let's back to the ball game.
Tag-isa pa tayo mga.
Voltage, may tag-isang timeout pa. Voltage, tag-isang timeout.
Di ka nag-iisa.
Say it loud, develop, complete, belong, yeah. Bata man malayo ang aabutin, may pangarap na hindi mo bibitawan sa bawat season. May bagong pangalan sa bawat dibdib, may apoy na iisang tahanan. Sa bawat hawak ng bola,
Shot clock down to 15. Bautista. Silverio. 10 seconds to shoot. Silverio. 5 to shoot. At ang bola babalik naman sa Coach M.
Time out dito.
Ababa. 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 Oh! Agustin saving the ball. And there's a foul by jersey number 32. Orienza, second personal foul, a second team foul.
Para second dito.
Bautista. 15 second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 points Kasumka. Two points Agustin. From Ababa. End of the game with a final score 82-74. Makakukuha ng bistik ang kanilang panalo. Next game naman po tayo sa 18 under Coach M kontra sa Paranaque Converge Fibers.
Silverio ata.
bagong henerasyon, hindi na naman suot ang pride. Hanggang dulo ng kakatan, sa brothers and sisters mo, Metropolis Youth, dito ka babangon. Metropolis Youth, bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah. Youth, bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah.
Sa laro mo, lumalago sa gitna ng crowd, di ka nag-iisa.
Say it loud, develop, compete, belong, yeah. Bagong henerasyon, hindi na naman suot ang pride, hati ang kaba, lakas. Iba-ibang school, iba-ibang core, pero iisa ang goal, umangat sa taas. Dribble sa sahig, tapos quick step. Mula ball club hanggang school rep. Every medyo, may bagong aral. Kada galaw mo, mas tumitibay ang pedal. Sa bawat pasa, may respeto sa bawat shot. May panibagong metro, hindi lang laro. Training to, bawat galaw, hinahasa mo.
Level up, huwag mapahuli. Mas mabilis, mas sulit, mas ready.
Sa pressure, doon sumusubok. Sa Metropolis, doon ka tutok. Metropolis Youth, bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah. Youth, bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah.
Sa laro mo, lumalago sa gitna ng crowd, di ka nag-iisa.
Say it loud, develop, compete, belong, yeah. High competition, wala easy lane. Kailangan puso, kailangan brain. Every team na makakaharap, may bagong style, may bagong habol sa tapat. One day school, one day club. Pareho ang sipag, pareho ang love. Dito natututo ang dikit at diskarte. Hindi lang points, pati karikar ang napaparte. Tropa sa team, bro sa laban kahit may init. Solid ang samahan, pagbagsak ka, May tutulong bumangon pag panalo na. Sabay-sabay ahon.
Level up, huwag mapahuli. Mas mabilis, mas solid, mas ready.
Sa pressure doon sumusubok. Sa Metro Ballers doon katutok. Metro Ballers, you bring it up, bring it up. Develop, compete, belong, yeah. You bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah.
Sa laro mo, lumalago sa gitna ng crowd, di ka nag-iisa.
Say it loud, develop, compete, belong, yeah. Bata man malayo ang aabutin. May pangarap na hindi mo bibitawan. Sa bawat season, may bagong pangalan. Sa bawat dibdib, may apoy na iisang tahanan. Sa bawat hawak ng bola, hanggang dulo ng kakathan. Sa brothers and sisters mo, Metro Ballers Youth, dito ka babangon. Metro Ballers Youth, bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah. You bring it up, develop, compete, belong, yeah.
Sa laro mo, lumalago sa gitna ng crowd, di ka nag-iisa.
Say it loud, develop, compete, belong, yeah. Bagong henerasyon, hindi na naman suot ang pride, hati ang kaba, lakas. Iba-ibang school, iba-ibang core, pero iisa ang goal, umangat sa taas. Dribble sa sahig, tapos quick step. Mula ball club hanggang school rep. Every medyo, may bagong aral. Kada galaw mo, mas tumitibay ang pedal. Sa bawat pasa, may respeto sa bawat shot. May panibagong metro, hindi lang laro. Training to, bawat galaw, hinahasa mo.
Level up, huwag mapahuli. Mas mabilis, mas solid, mas ready.
Sa pressure doon sumusubok. Sa Metro Ballers,
This is what it's supposed to be. On the highway and I'm thinking that I love her. On the highway and I'm thinking there ain't no rubber. It go. This is what it's supposed to be.